Feeling stressed? You might be eating the wrong foods. But don't worry, because the secret to a calmer mind might just be hiding in your kitchen. Let's explore some incredible, mind-blowing foods that can naturally help you reduce stress. So, what should you be eating? Here's what to try. First up, let's talk about a powerhouse mineral, magnesium. Magnesium-rich foods are fantastic for calming your nervous system and easing anxiety. Think of things like almonds, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. A handful of almonds as a snack, or a fresh spinach salad sprinkled with pumpkin seeds, can make a real difference in how you feel. Even avocado toast in the morning gives you a great magnesium boost. These foods work by regulating neurotransmitters that promote calmness, helping your body and mind relax. So next time you feel overwhelmed, reach for these natural chill pills. Now, who doesn't love a warm, soothing cup of tea? Herbal teas have been used for centuries to relax the body, reduce anxiety, and promote better sleep. Varieties like chamomile, peppermint, and lavender are particularly effective. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Peppermint can help relax muscles, and the scent of lavender is known for its calming properties. Just the simple ritual of brewing and sipping a cup of hot tea can be incredibly grounding and peaceful. Let's spice things up a bit. Warm spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger don't just add amazing flavor. They also have calming benefits. These spices can help stimulate circulation and soothe your nervous system. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar, preventing mood swings caused by energy crashes. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce physical stress in the body. Try sprinkling some cinnamon into your morning coffee or oatmeal, or brew a comforting ginger tea. It's a simple way to add a little warmth and comfort to your day. What about a bedtime snack? Choosing the right food before you sleep can significantly impact your stress levels and sleep quality. A light night snack can help stabilize your blood sugar and boost serotonin, the feel-good hormone that helps you relax. A great option is a small bowl of oatmeal or a few slices of banana with a spoonful of yogurt. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which are natural muscle relaxants. Oats encourage the release of serotonin. The key is to keep it light so you don't disrupt your digestion. So, how can you bring all this together? Try combining these foods for the maximum calming effect. Imagine a cozy evening ritual. A warm cup of chamomile tea sweetened with a tiny bit of honey, alongside a small bowl of yogurt with banana slices and a sprinkle of cinnamon and pumpkin seeds. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that work together to soothe your mind and prepare your body for a restful night. It's the perfect recipe for stress relief. Eating smart doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these simple, natural foods into your diet, you can take an active role in managing your stress levels. It's all about making small, mindful choices that nourish your body and calm your soul. Try some of these tonight, and you might just wake up feeling the difference tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember to take care of yourself.